Fighting for justice for his daughter and leaving no stone unturned in the process, we are joined by Mr. Uttam Khobragade, the father of Devyani. So thank you so much for speaking to Times Now. My first question to you is this entire conspiracy angle that now people are talking about. Now, how do you think there is a conspiracy in all of this? Because yesterday we heard, this 2 days before Devyani's arrest, the family of Sangeeta Richards were flown into the US. And there's a lot that is being talked about. You tell me, how do you see this as a conspiracy?
Yeah, when in hindsight I recalculate all the events, then it is when I recapitulate all the events, then there is certainly the needle suspicious that there is a conspiracy. Let us see, when we wanted a servant, we had only, my daughter will be in the office, we had 2 small children, so we were looking for the servant. And suddenly he bring her. We are not approach her.
Okay.
She's brought, she agreed, then she go with us. Now we come to know. Then she stay for 6 months. She praised me a lot. Oh, you are very good father. We should have such father. The girls, it is rare to have father like that. She has absolutely no complaint. Now her diaries pages are coming. That she says she was very happy. She's treated. Yeah, I know. Daily from Devyani's phone. Daily she used to phone to in Delhi.
Okay.
At our money. Whose money it is? So she stay nicely. Then one day she suddenly disappear. How the situation? They suddenly disappear. Then we try to locate her. Her husband is knowing about his daily speak, but he tell no, I don't know.
Okay.
Incidentally, Delhi police catch her mobile. We got the number from where she phoned. We contacted there. We go there. We find her there.
Okay.
There we clearly say, okay, done is done. You don't want to, fair enough, you go back to Delhi. This is your ticket. If you feel you want more money, we are ready to pay money. What she said is her language, I'm telling you. We are ready. She wanted $10,000. We said, yes, you take $10,000. You take the ticket. She says, no, I don't want ticket. I want $10,000 and your help in getting me the immigration.
Okay.
Immigration assistance. Means we should help her to get in immigration. We should deceive our own government. Whereas we requested government that you give visa and passport as long as she stay with us, that passport will validity. So she said, no, you take $10,000, don't give me ticket, but मुझे यहाँ रहने का ये. And what she say? उसका word है. एक बार इंडिया गए तो यूएस में वापस थोड़ी आ सकते हैं. So whole plan seems to be some or other make such false allegation and get her the status there.
So basically you are saying that she used Devyani to go to the US and then wanted the entire family to go and stay there.
Exactly. Then we complained to the police. There was, see, and again, when we send our non-bailable warrant, our government, they don't serve that. But then first they surreptitiously, they ship the family by issuing the special visa. Do you get the visa so early, so easily? They got a special visa, though he was required in the criminal case. His statement was necessary. He just leave the country, and as soon as they find that they are safe, then they immediately go and arrest my daughter. Even arresting officer clearly said that we are arresting you because you brought the warrant against Sangeeta. He's told.
Okay.
So real reason is we brought the warrant against not. And I have seen their FIR. If you read any FIR, any gentleman reads it is a false FIR. Just like they say, that in our application of the Sangeeta, you have mentioned her salary $4,500 per month. You read the application, it is not Sangeeta. Application say, please mention salary of the employer. So there we mention salary of the employer, which is $4,500, Devyani's salary. What they say, no, this is the salary, this you mention as salary of the Sangeeta and got there. Okay, who signed the application form? It is Sangeeta. First thing, there is no wrong. Even wrong is done. Who went to the UN consulate? It is Sangeeta. Who was interviewed by the UN consulate? It was Sangeeta. She went alone. Then if there is something wrong, who has committed the offense? But Sangeeta. But offense is registered against my daughter and she is handcuffed. She is stripped. She has DNA swab. Which is not a treatment meted out to the common man. So this all show there is a method. Right? So it was a pre-planned conspiracy and it was to attack the India's sovereignty. And this couple with today's Preet Bharara statement clearly show this is not, my daughter was not stripped, India's prestige was stripped.
Sir, is it true that you asked the husband of Sangeeta Richards to go and get a complaint filed of missing?
Absolutely.
And he refused?
He refused. We told, if you say you are not in touch, please you file, because they want complaint only from the relation. So you please file the complaint of the missing. He refused. Then police went and got in from his cell phone that he is talking to his wife from a particular number.
So he was in touch with his wife when she
Absolutely. He was a party to the entire conspiracy. And unfortunately, our Delhi police did not act in time in spite of my request. At least 100 times I phoned that DCP Jaiswal to catch him, to interrogate him, to take away his passport. That man, he was not taking my phone. And meanwhile, they just evacuated him because there was a war in India. And then they arrested my daughter.
So what